Assalamu alaikum. Let's learn Urdu. Urdu is the national language of Pakistan. If you want to learn the language, then you must watch this video. This is my first lecture in which you are going to learn Urdu alphabets. There are 24 basic alphabets of the language. Let's start. Alif, Alif. Let's pronounce it again. Alif, Alif. Let's learn some fruits name start with letter Alif. Alif, anar. It's pronounced as anar. Anar. Alif, anar. Sound of the letter Alif is A. A. Alif, A. Do you know what is the name of this fruit in Urdu? Yeah, this is Angur. Angur. Alif, Angur. Alif, Angur. If you want to learn the language Urdu, you must subscribe this channel.